اعوذ باللہ من الشیطان الرجیم بسم اللہ الرحمن الرحیم. السلام علیکم ڈیئر ویورز اینڈ سبسکرائبرز. ویلکم ٹو ڈیل کے ڈیجیٹل پلیٹ فارم سے خوش آمدید. آپ دوست کیسے ہیں؟ میرے چینل کو سبسکرائب کریں، میرے چینل کو میکسیمم شیئر کریں اور میری ویڈیوز کو جو ہے اپنے دوستوں میں، اپنے واٹس ایپ گروپ میں شیئر کریں اور بیل کے آئیکن پریس کریں تاکہ میری ہر نئی آنے والی ویڈیو آپ تک پہنچ سکے اور میکسیمم انفارمیشن شیئر ہو سکیں، کیونکہ دور دراز کے لوگ، بچے بچیاں اور دوست جو ہیں وہ شہر کی طرف نہیں آ سکتے اور نہ ہی اتنا وہ سرمایہ رکھتے ہیں کہ وہ ان پہ خرچ کر سکیں. تو ان کا وقت اور پیسے بچانے کے لیے چینل شروع کیا ہے تاکہ میکسیمم بینیفٹ حاصل کر سکیں. اب ہم ایوری ڈے سائنس کے کویسچن آپ کے سامنے پیش کر رہے ہیں. دا فینومینن آف اورورا borealis. The display of red and green lights in the northern hemisphere is due to radiation from ionosphere ages. Yeast is used in making bread because it produces carbon dioxide. Ages oscis is associated with desert bee or quartz crystal is quartz watch work on the principle called piezoelectric effect. The fruit without seed like banana are called parthenocarpic fruit. Animal which capture and readily kills living animals for its food is called predator. In a railway track, two rails are joined end to end with a gap in between them because accidents due to expansion in summer can be avoided. Question number 48, repeated question hai. Name the famous book of Ibn Sina in which he discussed the psychology and medicine. Al-Qanun. Ages water is heated in a kettle. The inside water is heated by convection. A person sitting near the fire receive heat by radiation. In water, an iron pipe feels colder than a wooden window. This is because wood is non-conductor. Repeated question hai. The echo reflect sound will be distinctly heard at ordinary temperature if the distance of the reflecting surfaces from the source of sound is at least 56 feet. It is possible to recognize a person in the dark by simply hearing his unique voice. It is because of pitch. Ages. When a ray of sunlight enters a dark room, its straight path becomes visible because of dust particles hanging in the air. It is because light is visible. A 6 feet tall lady wants to see her full image in a plane mirror. The minimum length of the mirror will be 3 feet. The principle used in radar is the same as that of sonar. In radar we use radio waves, where in sonar we use ultrasonic waves. In a fusion nuclear reaction, a heavy nucleus breaks up into smaller nuclei, whereas in another nuclear reaction, two or more than two possible nuclei are fused to form a heavy nucleus. This nuclear reaction is called fusion. nuclear reaction. DJs presec is a unit of distance. German silver is an alloy of carbon, copper plus nickel. Question number 59. The continent Antarctica lies at the South Pole. B. The temperature of the dead body is temperature of the place where it is kept. Lactometer is type of hydrometer which is used to measure the specific gravity of milk. Cossack is a unit of none of these. The deepest place on the earth is Mariana Trench. Twinkling of star is caused by refraction of light. Magnifying power of a simple microscope can be increased by increasing focal length of the lens. Ages. A nuclear reactor is a device used to carry out controlled nuclear reaction, whereas GM counter is a device used to detect nuclear radiation. A body can accept the gravitational pull of the earth if it is thrown up with a velocity of 7 miles per kilometer. Night vision is possible with the help of infrared rays. Myopia is a defect of human eye. It can be corrected by using a lens called concave lens. Bijos, the instrument which is especially designed for recording earthquake wave, is called seismograph, which measure earthquake waves on a rectal scale. Question number 71. In humans, most nutrients molecules are absorbed by the small intestine. Cobalt is a material which is uh, strongly attracted by a magnet. What is the body temperature of a normal man? 36.9 degrees centigrade. Which of the following helps in clotting of body? D. Vitamin K. Total volume of blood in a normal adult human being is age of 5 to 6 liter. Red blood corpuscles are formed in the bone marrow. 77. How many bones are there in an adult human being? 206. Tibia is a bone found in the leg. Seizures. The largest part of the human brain is cerebrum. Seizures. What is the main component of bones and teeth? Calcium phosphate. The main constituent of hemoglobin is iron. Bijos, the main function of the kidney is to remove waste product from the body. Seizures, the function of hemoglobin is transpiration of oxygen. Which of the following glands secrete tears? Lacrimal ages, which is the largest gland in the human body? Liver. Bijos, which is the largest organ in the human body? Skin. Seizures, a person of which of the following blood group is called a universal donor? O. Ages, which gland in the human body is called the master gland? Pituitary gland. How many bones are there in a newly born infant? 300. Which of the following have maximum calorific values? Fats. Bijos, which of the following vitamins promote healthy function of eye in human being? Vitamin B. Ages, the average heartbeat per minute in a normal man is 70 beats. A person with which of the following blood groups can receive blood of any group? AB, Bijos. Malaria is a disease which affects the spleen. Sejos. C part. Which of the following disease is caused by virus? Smallpox. Medulla oblongata is a part of human brain. Bijos. Mopia is a disease connect with eye. Bijos. Leukemia is a disease of the blood. Bijos. Short-sightedness can be corrected by using concave lens. Bijos. Trachomia is a disease of eyes. Okay, Allah Hafiz.